Wooden mirror frames have long been a staple of home decor, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether in rustic, modern, or traditional settings, a well-crafted wooden mirror frame can serve as a statement piece or blend seamlessly into the surrounding decor. The beauty of wooden frames lies in their versatility, as they can be carved, stained, painted, or distressed to match various interior styles. From intricate carvings inspired by classical design to sleek and minimalist contemporary frames, wooden mirrors can elevate any space. The choice of wood, finish, and design all play a role in determining the final look and feel of the mirror frame. Hello my lovely friends. Welcome to Kuki Décor. Today, we're taking you on an inspiring journey through the world of wooden mirror frames, exploring styles from rustic charm to modern elegance. Whether you're a fan of distressed vintage looks or sleek contemporary designs, we've got something for every taste and space. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor ideas. And if you love stylish interiors, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which mirror frame is your favorite. Now, let's get started. One of the most classic wooden mirror frame ideas is the use of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood offers a rustic, time-worn charm that brings character and history into a space. The imperfections, knots, and grain patterns in aged wood create a visually intriguing frame that stands out. These frames often pair well with farmhouse, bohemian, and industrial interiors. The aged look of the wood can be enhanced with distressing techniques or left natural to let the patina shine through. Some artisans incorporate barn wood, driftwood, or salvaged planks to create a sustainable and environmentally friendly option that also tells a story. For those who appreciate a more refined and polished look, hardwood frames such as oak, mahogany, or walnut offer a luxurious feel. The rich grains and deep hues of these woods make them an excellent choice for traditional and elegant interiors. A mahogany mirror frame, for instance, exudes warmth and sophistication, often finished with a glossy varnish that enhances the natural luster of the wood. Ornate detailing, such as hand-carved motifs or gold leaf accents, can further enhance the grandeur of these frames, making them perfect for classical or Victorian-inspired settings. Wooden mirror frames with intricate carvings and embellishments add an artistic and decorative element to a room. Intricately carved frames, reminiscent of Baroque or Rococo styles, make a striking statement in grand living rooms or entryways. The detailing in such frames often includes floral patterns, scrollwork, or even abstract geometric designs, which can be further accentuated by metallic accents or contrasting stains. A hand-carved wooden mirror frame is not just a mirror, it is a piece of art that enhances the decor of the space in which it resides. Another captivating approach to wooden mirror frames is the incorporation of mixed materials. Wood and metal combinations, for example, create an industrial chic aesthetic that works well in loft-style apartments or contemporary spaces. Iron or brass inlays within a wooden frame add contrast and dimension, making the piece stand out. Similarly, adding elements of leather, rope, or resin within the frame can introduce texture and interest, creating a unique and customized look. These mixed material frames serve as conversation starters and focal points in any room. For a more casual and coastal vibe, driftwood mirror frames are an excellent choice. The naturally weathered look of driftwood evokes a relaxed and breezy atmosphere, making it ideal for beach houses, cottages, or nature-inspired interiors. Each piece of driftwood used in the frame has its own organic shape and texture, making every mirror one of a kind. The raw, unpolished look of driftwood frames pairs beautifully with neutral color palettes, linen textiles, and natural fiber decor elements. DIY wooden mirror frames also offer a fantastic opportunity for personalization. A simple wooden frame can be transformed using paint, stain, or decorative elements like mosaic tiles, pressed flowers, or hand-painted designs. This allows homeowners to create a mirror that perfectly matches their decor and personal taste. Some may opt for a weathered, whitewashed look to achieve a shabby chic effect, while others might experiment with bold colors or geometric patterns for a more eclectic style. Customizing a wooden mirror frame ensures that the piece
Rustic and distressed wooden mirror frames are particularly popular in farmhouse and vintage-inspired interiors. These frames often feature chipped paint, rough textures, and uneven edges that contribute to their aged and well-loved appearance. The beauty of distressed wood lies in its imperfections, which add warmth and charm to a space. Techniques such as sanding, dry brushing, or applying a crackle finish can be used to achieve a time-worn effect. Rustic wooden frames work well in cozy living rooms, bedrooms, or even bathrooms, adding a touch of nostalgia and character. For a touch of exotic charm, wooden mirror frames inspired by global design elements bring cultural richness into a home. Moroccan-style wooden frames, for instance, often feature intricate lattice patterns or bold geometric shapes. Indian-inspired frames might showcase elaborate carvings and vibrant painted details. Asian-style wooden mirror frames, such as those found in Japanese or Chinese decor, emphasize simplicity, balance, and natural finishes. Incorporating these globally inspired designs adds an element of wanderlust and storytelling to a space, making the mirror not just functional but also deeply meaningful. The placement of wooden mirror frames within a home is just as important as their design. A large, floor-length wooden mirror frame can make a space feel more expansive, especially in bedrooms or dressing areas. Wall-mounted wooden mirrors serve as excellent focal points in living rooms, dining rooms, or entryways, where they can reflect light and create an illusion of depth. In bathrooms, wooden mirror frames add warmth and contrast to cool tile surfaces, making the space feel more inviting. The right placement enhances both the functionality and aesthetic value of the mirror. Incorporating eco-friendly wooden mirror frames is another growing trend, as sustainability becomes a priority in home decor. Using responsibly sourced or upcycled wood helps reduce environmental impact while still achieving a stylish and high-quality look. Some artisans specialize in using non-toxic finishes, reclaimed wood, and sustainable harvesting practices to create environmentally conscious mirror frames. Choosing a sustainable wooden mirror frame allows homeowners to enjoy the beauty of wood while making a positive impact on the planet. And that wraps up our journey from rustic charm to modern elegance in wooden mirror frames. We hope you found the perfect inspiration to enhance your home decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your favorite mirror frame style in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Kuki Décor and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest home decor ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.